Google VEO has come up with a solution. A text can be converted into a high definition video. The state of the art technology being offered by Google Gemini. Without wasting much time, let's explore the VEO 3, which is released recently, that can support or that can convert a piece of text into a very meaningful video with audio definition file. And this is Melvin Sutishan. Without wasting much time, let's move on to the workshop. VEO 3 service is not available in the free tier of Google Cloud. We have created a billing account and we generated an API key. So the key is available here and we enabled a tier 1 plan. In the tier 1 plan, we have certain limitations, though we can use certain number of the VEO 3 services. So let's grab this token by clicking on this API key, and it is already in the tier 1 and we created it on August 15th 2025. Then we will navigate to our master code here. We'll go to .env and we have to replace this API key with the tier 1 account key. Okay, now it is working as expected. We have already copied the standard template. Here we have the Google module imported, and from that imported the Gen AI method. Then we have the time. Then we are importing the .env to load this API key. Finally, we are assigning that API key value to the API key. Then we are creating a new class or an instance from the using Gen AI client and passing the API key. Here is our prompt. A man in a museum gazes at the Mona Lisa, turns to his wife, whispers something playful, and she bursts into laughter with the famous painting in the background. This is the prompt. We are expecting to convert it into the video format, and VEO 3.0 generate preview is the model that we are going to use. And we have another method here, sub method here, generate videos under the models. And altogether we would be getting a response in the operation. But until we get a proper response, we need to keep on checking with the API that whether this conversion is completed or not. So for that we are using a while loop. Once this conversion is completed, it would be saving like a dialog example.mp4 and generated video saved to this is what we are going to get the message. So without wasting much time, let's trigger this. So Python and here chatbot.py. It has been exceeded my current quota. Guys, I will take the default thing they have mentioned in their document. So it is going to be something like checking whether it is working or not. Okay. And I will have to change it as it is like this. Then I will trigger it once again. On the other hand, we have to check it in our console regarding the usage and billing. Cool. It has been generated video saved to dialog example.mp4. So this is what the video that we have generated. So let me play it. Which is not having audio. Well, that's it. Let us provide another prompt and see a man looking at an apple tree. Let's pass this and see how it behaves. Just want to check whether this is really working or not, right? So I'm checking, I'm changing the statement here, apple or Newton, and here I will say Newton.mp4 just for fun, and I will give it a next shot. It is executing. So one thing is very clear, we haven't done any mistake, right? We clearly mentioned a statement, and the first statement Gemini was unable to convert it, but when we copy the statement from their standard template, it is working. So I'm not sure what is the real root cause. It could be a bug or something else. On the other hand, let's come back to the billing console and see whether we have some updates, because we have 10 requests per day. And beyond that, we would be getting the alerts. It is supposed to, yes, generate video saved to Newton MP4. Let me play this, okay? Which means we haven't done anything wrong, but perhaps the first situation might have created a hallucination to our model. I'm not sure, could be a root cause. Okay, so let us play this first. Awesome. A person is coming and he is looking at the apple tree. Things are working as expected. I hope since these things are being developed, right, so there would be certain hurdles. However, these all are really exciting and amazing features. I hope this helps you, and I would strongly recommend you to set the proper credit alerts before you start using the Google Cloud, because this is not a free tier and there may be a leakage, a money leakage from your account if we are not cautious enough. So that's it from my side, and this is Melvin Satishan, and I'm signing off by wishing you a great rest of the day. Thank you. Bye bye.